seeing anything? Okay, now that the attic shit's done, the wire's pulled across. I never did an introduction, so yeah, it's a Thursday. Today was a shitty one. Grosse point jobs always suck. So I'm in the basement now, tearing the panel apart. Ooh, trying to catch my breath. I'll upload some videos I took in the crawl space. That was a nightmare. So 22K, Grosse point. Good times. Let's get her done. Never mind. I said attic. I meant crawl space. Or no, I said crawl. See? About 2 hours in an attic with blown-in insulation. Can't even think straight. But it's done. The wires are crossed. It was a 90-footer. Yeah. But yeah, so it was an attic, not a crawl space. Getting that in there was an absolute nightmare. But she's in. Outside service is done. Transfer switch is done. We went up through the attic, across the house, this way, and then out there.
Shut this off. 2 seconds after that, we'll hear the generator start. 2 seconds after that, you're across the side here. One of my screws out for about 40 seconds.
All right. Homeowner got us some pizza. We're all done. We got one more little job to go to. But that's a wrap for today, everybody. Generator's in. Sun shines out. It was 73 days ago. It was 40. Well, I got down to 30 at night, but 40 for 2 days straight. And now we're 60 again. So usual Michigan. But thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it. See you next time.